guys, and welcome back to my channel. What's popping? Hey, beautiful people. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you what I really love and hate about this island.
Slowly kisses passing by.
Ooh, I love my hairstyle. Ooh. Okay, let's start with the things I love about Cyprus. Okay, the first thing I love about Cyprus is that it's safe. Really, I can assure you that 100% Cyprus is safe. Like, I've been here for 2 years or 3 years, but I never heard something like war and I think it should be in top 5 safest country. The second thing I love about Cyprus is that there is freedom here in Cyprus. Like you can do whatever you want if you want to start a business. And the other thing is that they really knows how to enjoy life the way it is, and I love it. The third thing I love about Cyprus is that they have a lot of dishes. I heard that they have more than 100, if I'm not mistaken, 100 dishes. If you're a food lover, please visit northern Cyprus or Turkey. Okay, let's move to the things I hate about Cyprus. Okay, the thing I hate about Cyprus, the first one is they speak only one language, which is Turkish, and it's not really easy for international students to learn that language. It's really difficult, and whenever you're trying to ask for a service, it takes time to understand each other, and it's really not good for me. And the fact that they don't even want to learn other languages, it makes it worse. The second thing I hate about Cyprus is that they don't like to socialize with other people, like not in a bad way. Like they love their own culture, they love their own food, they love their own coffee. Like they don't want to get involved in other people's culture. For example, whenever you're trying to cook something new for Turkish, like something from your country, they'll be like, add this, it will be more delicious. Like I'm trying to cook my own dish so that you can taste it and tell me the difference between yours and mine. But so it's okay for me because at their food. The third thing I hate about Cyprus is that there is no churches here, and I feel like it's not fair because there is Catholic people and Muslim people. I only know one church here, and it's too far from where I live, so there should be 3 or 4 churches. Oh, that was it, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share it. So see you in my next one. Peace.
Slowly kisses.